For our next program, we are going to work on 4.3.4, Colorful Caterpillar. And in this program, we're going to write a program that draws a colorful caterpillar. It should have 8 body circles, have circles that alternate between 4 different colors. The hints are write one function to draw a body circle and fill its color using the parameter named color choice. And a for loop can also shorten your code. So, as with every program I write, I'm going to start off with a speed of 0. Now, as in with normal top-down design, I'm going to work on the smallest portion of our program here, and that is basically drawing a circle. Now, we need to decide what the diameter of our circle needs to be. And how I kind of did that was I pull out a calculator, and I know that all the way across the board is 400. And then we want to draw 8 circles. So that's around 50. And that would give us a circle going from one side of the screen to the other. I want to do something a little bit smaller because they didn't go from one side to the other. So I'm actually going to make my circles 30. And if I do that, boom, there's my circle. So actually, we want the old circle to be 30, so we're going to do a diameter of 15. So this is going to be the circle that makes up our colorful caterpillar. So what we need to start doing now is we need to define a function to draw a body circle using the parameter named color choice. So the ability to, when we go down to the bottom, be able to change the color. So we need to define a function, and we're going to call it colorful caterpillar. And now in the parentheses of our function is where we're going to describe what we will be changing each time. And what we'll be changing each time is color underscore choice. So I'm going to delete circle 15 right now because I want to focus on, okay, what do we want our function to do every single time? So first of all, we want it to set the color to whatever the color choice is. After that, we want to begin underscore fill. We want to do a circle of 15. We want to end underscore fill. And when we do that, that would make our circle. And that's whatever color we choose. And then we need it to get ready for the next circle. Just like with the other caterpillar commands that we've done, we have to go forward by the diameter. So I'm going to start off with a pin up. I'm going to move forward by the diameter. Well, if my radius is 15, that means my diameter will be 30. And then I'm going to do a pin down. And this will actually be our colorful caterpillar program. So if I go down here and I say colorful underscore caterpillar, this is where we can choose our color. So I'm going to choose blue. And it will now run this program with the color blue. Now let's go see how we do. There it is. That's perfect. Okay. So then I can say, okay, I wanted to do the exact same thing again. But this time I want it to do green. Do it again with yellow. And then do it again with red. So if I run that, boom, there's half of my caterpillar. If I notice in the image over here, it repeats itself. So I'm going to start off with the set position. Anytime we do a set position, we know we always need a pin up, then a set position, and we need to move to the left. So I want 4 circles on the right and 4 circles on the left. So I need to move. I'm going to get my calculator back out, and I need to move to the left whatever 4 diameters are. So 4 times my diameter, which is 30, is 120. Since I'm moving to the left, that's going to be negative 120. I'm not moving up and down, so that means my y coordinate is 0, and then pin down. If I run this, it does the first 4, but I want to do it again, so that's going to be 4I in range 2, and indent everything over. There is our program. I'm going to check the code. I have all my green checks. If you're not happy with your program, we need to think, if you want the circles to be bigger, we're going to have to go back and change a couple of numbers. However, I was able to do everything I needed to do. I was able to get all of my green checks. I did do the loop. I did do my function, and I also set my position so it was centered. So that was 4.3.4 Colorful Caterpillar.